coming with me.
Hello everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a comic book using the comic book creator custom ChatGPT. This time, we're going to click Create a Human Comic. ChatGPT will add the details of our comic. We will need to add the comic type, narrative type, character name, story title, genre, age, story language, reader's age range, and aesthetic description. In this case, I don't have time to write all of that down. I will just ask ChatGPT to give me 5 different versions. Here are the options that ChatGPT provided. I will select the last one. I will just change comic type to webcomic. It is starting to write the story. The narration, the pain, like a storyline. Then it will start creating the first panel image. As you can see, the image is very nice. Now I will ask, let's create the second image. Here I will ask, next, please create the story. Yes. Yes. It will start creating panels for Chapter 1. Once it is finished, it will start doing Chapter 2, and so on. As you can see, it gave me panels with different images of the same guy. Let me see something here, right? You can also copy this prompt and use it in other places if you want to create similar images outside of ChatGPT. I will say, please create the next image. Let's see what the next image is. You can also see that it added some text. I have been expecting you. This is part of the 6-tone speech. Now, let's see what it comes up with. Cool. This one also includes a speech bubble. This way I can keep going. Let's try next. Here you can see the text, "You are coming with us, with me, dead or alive." Yes, please. Sometimes you may get these warnings. Perhaps there is a word or name that goes against their copyright. Sometimes you will get these errors. That's okay. I am just asking it to change the name and create the image. Let's see if it generates a new image. Okay. As you can see, the story is logically continuing. You can simply take all of this information and create your comic. Here, we can also use Seed ID and Gen ID. I can say, create the next image. I will add Seed ID and Gen ID. It will use the same Seed ID to generate the image. If you look at the story, you will see that it is using part of the story. This is the one we created. This is the next one, which it is generating. Now we'll create this one, and so on. It will turn all of the text into images. This is really cool. It is very cool. You can have this entire project finished within an hour. All your panels will be done. I will say next image. Let's go and check what this. The ghost? Will you escape? Let's see if this comes from the chapter. This looks kind of like a close-up shot. This way you can create all of your panels. If you want to edit or... You can see this is really good because it reads from here. I don't know. Somewhere I saw that there is an error. Let's keep finishing this chapter. Next. As you can see, it becomes very easy to work. I can go and ask ChatGPT to create more panels with different shots. Of course, you can write them yourself, but for now, I am very happy with the results. I am just letting ChatGPT create all of the scenes. This was the last chapter, so that's fine. That is all for today. Remember, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us for more videos like this. Bye-bye.